Hi, I'm Dr. Surbhi Wadhwani. I'm a gold medalist dentist practicing at Dr. Smile since the last 11 years in Indore. As a dentist or as a doctor, generally our profession is never considered to be as a business because that mindset is never inbuilt into us. And neither do we understand, the processes or the daily fightings that we have to, suffer because we consider ourselves as the one-man army when we have to deal with patients. So I've been knowing Pushpain since the last 6 years, and every time we would meet up, he would give me one simple tip regarding growing the business, be it taking a feedback or a review from patients on Google My Business, or setting a couple of processes. So when he actually mentioned about BAM, which is a business acceleration masterclass, I was like, yeah, I think I really need to get into this in order to change my mindset regarding considering dentistry as a business. So when I joined BAM, obviously the biggest thing that changed was considering that yes, dentistry is also a business. Eventually, it's my livelihood. I need to grow it. How do you need to set the processes and how I need to get out of the daily fighting? So eventually, I started going 2 hours away from the clinic in order to sit and understand on how I need to grow the business for the next 5 years, understanding financials, understanding the roles and responsibilities, delegation to my staff. And I think overall, the biggest win that has been is that my daily fighting has gone down. So I think from the 20-25 calls per day, it's now come down to only 5 calls. I can actually take in a vacation of 15 days with my team working behind, my business running behind. I think that has been the biggest change for me. And I'm hoping that with the implementation of all the processes and the KRA KPIs, I would be at least able to triple my revenue. Thank you so much, Pushpain, for having this BAM and for making me understand that yes, dentistry needs the business aspect to be incorporated to it. Thank you.